Good morning. Is this up and running? All right. Hey. Hi. I gotta get. It's already 9:30. I gotta get. Where's my phone holder? Oh, it fell over. All right. Let me get this. Currently in a long of oil over here. 370, and I'm in a short of gold. But it's kind of pulling back up, so we'll see what happens here. Maybe 370 on this oil. See how we touch that shop? Let's go. I gotta get on TikTok. Hi, good morning.
Order submitted.
Please give a thumbs up if you can. Also, I have fast off to the right. Oh, it's in a trade. We are in a trade. I gotta actually put this on.
Order canceled.
And it got stopped. That's okay. Gold's coming back down. All right, let me get on TikTok. Because I am late today. I keep thinking I have all this extra time, and I just don't. All right. Cool. Let's get going. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday, May 8th. I hope you guys had a nice, safe weekend. We are going live twice today. So we're going to go live this morning from 9:30 to 10:30. And then we will be live this afternoon from 2 to 3 p.m. Jen will be live this afternoon.
Order submitted.
TikTok only. We are in a long on scalper. So let's put that over here. Green, $75 on this long. Let's see if it can push up. I'm going to turn the volume down a little bit on this. If you guys want to let me know what you did this weekend. Did you have any fun, exciting weekend plans? Green 140 on this long. Remember, when this goes green 200, it will move the stop loss up on its own. Welcome. If you're new here, I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. We're also doing afternoon live streams now from 2 to 3 on TikTok. Today, Jen will be live from 2 to 3. The London market is closed today. They have a holiday, so that's why the overnight action was such crap. But we were able to be 1 for 1 on oil. Oil had a huge move. We hit 1 for 1 on oil for $350. Gold did have a loss. It's like the first loss in like 2 weeks. So about red 300 on the day, which isn't bad. A few things I'm testing. Oil is green, $940. Gold is in a short for 100. So we'll see how that works out. If you guys have any questions about the auto trading algorithm or about futures, please put them in the chat. We don't have a sale right now for Apex, so there's nothing that I can actually mention there. But they were doing like a discount off of resets. Scalpers in another long here. We'll see if this can work out. It looks like it might not. So this is the chop zone. This is given every day to my students. This is the LAS, which is given every day to my students right around 3 a.m., 4 a.m. And you can trade when it leaves the area. So if you can see, we left this area right around, what time was this? Right around 8:20 this morning. And you had a nice move from 13,010 down to 87. So almost 25 points.
Order canceled.
I had kids basketball all weekend and spent the rest setting up the algo. Nice, Jeremy. You're not Yoda, are you? Now I'm trying to figure out who this Yoda person is.
Order submitted.
I really hope it's not you. He'll be like, oh yeah, it is, sorry. So it's Monday, it's sunny, but my allergies are going crazy. I've been pretty good, and then this weekend my allergies have just been out of whack.
Order canceled.
Our gold is still in the short for $150. 180, 200. Let's see if this can keep dropping here. I called this in the student call this morning. I announced that I would go short at 2030 on gold, and my target is 2027. So we're almost at my target here. Already green, $250. This is how the mentorship can really help on top of the algorithm, because so gold had a loss on this long. So it happens, it is what it is. But now I'm in a short because of technical analysis that we discussed on the student call this morning. And now this is going to make up for more than half of that loss that I just had. And on top of that, oil was 1-for-1 overnight for $350. So, and this, I didn't catch this move, but this would be a great short on the NASDAQ simply because of the chop zone that's given at 3 in the morning. So it was posted at 3, I believe like 3:30. And yep. You mean this? You mean something else, Kyle? Oh, or you mean the pullback? Yeah, it was perfect pullback. Yeah, they're doing discounts on resets. Yeah, but that's it. Oh, also, scalpers in a long. I don't know if this is going to play out, but we can watch it. I'm testing so many things. I did so much testing this weekend. That gold short is still super fire. Green $270. I might go back to that. Scalper on fast is currently in that long for $70, but it's red like 300 on the day. Hi, welcome. All right, so 280 on this short. Again, this was the gold trade that was discussed in the morning call. 300 here. So again, this makes up for more than half of that loss that happened on the algo. Yeah, I think I'm going to get in on the mentorship. Chris, it only makes sense. We talk about so many things that really just, whoa, look at that. It went right past $450 now on this gold short. I'm asking my students who got that trade because this was a trade we talked about in detail for a while this morning. Good morning. All right. $470 on this short. 480. Silver's also in a short. Green $25. I'm testing silver. That oil last night was crazy. What do you mean, why is it backwards? What's backwards? Oh, are my colors on my... No, my candle colors are correct. It's not backwards. You don't need any system requirements, Kobe. I think I mentioned this in the email the other day. You don't have to have... If you're getting the VPS, which is $50 a month, this is a VPS. This is my computer. It doesn't matter how slow or old your computer is because you're going to be using a VPS.
Order canceled.
The VPS is what's going to give you that. Just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com if you want more information about the algorithm or the mentorship. What's going to give you the speed and the space that you need is going to be the VPS. The VPS is $50 a month. I use Chart VPS. You can use any company you want. I just use them, and I think they do a really nice job. So, yeah. Good morning. Good morning. So, we're in the short of gold. Again, it was green like 450. You could take profit at any point. I'm just letting this run out. Okay. Sounds good, Kobe. Yeah, VPS is an abbreviation for a virtual private server. So it means that you are getting your own computer, essentially a virtual computer built for you. And then you can use it on your cell phone. Like you can pull it up on your cell phone. You can pull it up on your iPad. You can pull it up on a computer if you were traveling. If you don't have a VPS, then you are stuck to just using your personal PC for the algorithm, and then that's the only way that you can access the algorithm. You know, a VPN is totally different than a VPS. A VPN is for a company. That is a company protected network. That's not the same thing. A VPS is just a private server. You have your own server. No one else can access it. Like on a VPN, your IT company can access it, or your boss can, if they needed to, like they could get into it. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about a VPS, which is a server that's built for you, and only you have access to it, but it's housed somewhere else. Early hit target, y'all. So early just got in a trade. We already hit target. Nice. 1 for 1 there. $200. Nice move there. Also, look at this move down. Where did I say the bounce was going to be today? Oh, we still have a bit. We still have a bit. I called this short as well on the student call. Y'all, the student call is a fire. Can't give you all the details, but I called that short in the student call. Where is my gold? Gold is still in the short. Green 300. Yes, nice job, Josh. Really nice. Thanks, Campbell. Yep, she's awesome. Jen's been with me for 3 years, so I would hope that she would know what she's talking about because she does, and she's awesome. Mark, it's been great. Gold was 100% last week. Gold and oil alone last week made $4,300 on the minimum sizing. We're in this short of gold right here. NQ just hit target for 200. Overnight oil was 1 for 1 for 350. So things are going well. Thank you for asking. I wonder if I should put Santa on. I wonder if Santa would have caught this short. Probably not. I could set it up though. What time is it? 9:43. Okay. Well, I keep telling myself I'm going to make the jump soon. Yeah, I don't know why you're dragging your feet. People that do that and then they join the group, they're like, oh my gosh, I should have joined so much sooner. And I'm like, yeah, you should have. But I can't, it's your decision. I can't force anyone to do anything they don't want to do. So when you're ready, you'll do it, and then you'll realize that you should have done it way earlier. Caught the nice. No, nothing is for free. I told you the email address if you wanted to get more information. That's where it is. But it's not free at all. Why would you have to quit your job? Nobody would want you to quit your job, Mark. That's actually the opposite of what we would want you to do. Everyone in my group has a job. No one has quit their job to run an auto trading algorithm. You turn on the algorithm at night and then you go to sleep and then you wake up and you go to your job. When you wake up and you're getting ready for work, you see, oh, I made $350 last night with oil. And then when you're at your job, you're just focused on your job. And then you come home and you say, oh, NQ made $200, $400, $600. Yeah, nobody should be quitting. That's not a thing. Even when I was doing this full time, I still had a 9 to 5 for a while before I switched over to just being a business owner and trading. Hi, Daniel. Good morning. You don't need to, it doesn't matter, Mark. It's not about being clueless. You literally import a file and you turn it on. It literally takes like 15 minutes to set up. I have 2 admins that give you pristine white glove service when you join. They make sure everything is set up properly. They make sure you know what's happening, And then you turn it on, and that's it. All you have to do every night is just turn it on. That's all. And then you typically run the same strategies every single day. Thanks, Jen.
Order filled.
Yeah, like you don't need to understand the markets to run an auto trading algorithm. Levinsky, start tapping. Tappy, tap, tap, tap. If you guys appreciate the stream, please tap that screen. It really helps to bring other folks into the live stream that might have interest in futures or trading. I'm trying to see what... Just joined. What are you talking about? I'm talking about my auto trading algorithm. That's what I'm talking about. The best thing ever.
Order filled.
It's $500 for the first 21 days as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. Oil's in a short. This was the oil trade that went $1,800 on one mini since 1 a.m. and now it's in a short. Yeah, even then, like there's no point, especially if you're running the algorithm, there's no point in quitting your job because you're honestly, like, why does this look so unfocused? Does this look fuzzy to you guys? Like, this looks so fuzzy to me. All right, is that less fuzzy? Oh gosh. Sometimes I feel like these new cameras on the iPhones aren't as good. Like, they try to be really good, but then for something like this, they're not that good. Oh, I can't. It's like, it looks, oh, that looks better. Okay, that looks better. No! Do you see how it just refocused itself into the fuzzy again? Stop it. I think it's like in cinematic view or something. Oil's in this short.
Submitted.
Well, scalper, Santa's in a long. I'll pull that in the front in a second. $70 on this short here, $80 on this oil short. Get a Samsung, get the hell out of here. That's never happening. $65 on this NQ long, 70 on this oil short. Again, this is not range. This is something I'm testing. Because somebody was freaking out in chat today. Freaking out. Absolutely not. If I could control the markets and guarantee profits, like there was somebody, we should be playing bingo again. There was somebody in YouTube like, do you guarantee profits? Absolutely not. There's no way to guarantee that the market is going to work as it has been the past 3 years. Like, it could have some awful week and then you're like, oh, this doesn't work, I'm quitting. Okay, well, I can't guarantee that the market's not going to have just some random awful week. Like, does it? No. Was April of last year sucky? Yes. Was March of this year pretty sucky? Yeah. But overall, we are super green in the long run. You know, you can't, like, trading can't be based off of one trade or 1 week. Like, your results just can't be that way, or else it's never really going to work out. Hi, Kyle. All the Kyles. Green, 120 on this oil short, which is not on range. Like, if you're not okay, if you're not comfortable risking money, then you should never trade. Trading is not for you, and that's okay. Trading might not be for you. It's not for everyone. I have a brother who I remember was trying something out, and he lost $100, and he was freaking out. So yeah, if it's not for you, that's okay. It's not for everybody. Yeah, no. Good job, Kyle. I wouldn't be doing that yet. It's not even near the level. Oh, good, Kyle. Good, good, good. We talked about this in the morning live stream. I'm sorry, in the morning stream for my students, and they are waiting because we are going to pounce here soon. I'm going to tag Dan over here because he put it in. Thanks, Levinsky. If you guys have any questions about the algo, please put them in the chat. Not in anything right now. Oil's still in that short $130 in profit. Can I make this any smaller? I really can't. Thank you for the likes. Appreciate ya. All right. Nice. I love it. I'm late. Lost track while manually trading. William, what's up? We already manually traded gold for an easy, like $400. And Q is 1 for 1 on the early. Oil range is 1 for 1 for $350. And then gold range had a loss. So pretty much flat on the day so far. No, I do not have a Telegram. I will never DM you. Charlie, that is a scammer. Block him and report him. I will never follow you on TikTok. I will never message you on TikTok. I will never talk about some type of Telegram or WhatsApp. Those are all scammers. Anyone that ever wants to talk to you in a WhatsApp is a scammer. Still in the short of oil, green $200. The only way I will talk to anyone is via email. You have to email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. There are people that literally come on my live stream and then they follow whoever's on the live stream and then they send you a direct message and they impersonate me and they're trying to scam you to act like they're me. It's not me. Charlie, it's not me. Make sure you report and block that person. Green $300 on this oil short now. Again, this was the oil long that made $1,800 this morning since 1 a.m. I miss you guys your full time. Oh, boo. Green $350 on this short. Thanks, Jen. Thanks, Bess. Pin. Charlie, just confirm. Yes, that's what happened to me. I got the message on TikTok by. Yeah, it's not me, Charlie. If you look close enough, that's not my username. It is a fake username. They put a 0 instead of an O, or they put 2 underscores at the end of the username. And they block me, so then I can't block them, and it's this whole thing. I can't stand it. This is not a pair. This is oil. It says it at the bottom. This is oil, so CL. I don't trade pairs. I trade futures only. If you want more information on my auto trading algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Scalpers in a long. This oil is already green $950 on the day, and then now another $250, and this is just on one mini. Also, NQ is in a long here, green $100. So Charlie, please realize that is not me. Make sure you block them and report them. I am boldbot with 1 underscore, and I don't have any zeros in my username. Nice job, Lieutenant Dan. So proud of you. All right, green 120 on this long. Oil is still in that short for 250. Let's see if NQ can push up here. Oh, where did we go? Because we talked about this on the student call, so I was wondering what area we went to. If you guys appreciate the stream, please give a thumbs up. Tap that screen. Thanks, Carter. Charlie, what are you talking about? This is why people like you get scammed, because you like that's not even a real question. Is it up or down? What do you think? What does that even mean? Don't Charlie. I don't think. What I teach my students is discussed from 8:45 to 9:15 every day, and this has already been, the whole day has already been planned out for them. So they know what they're supposed to do here. It doesn't matter. It's scalper, but it doesn't matter the name is, because you're not going to be able to find it anywhere. I'm risking $200. Well, now there's no risk at all. Now it's guaranteed green because the stop loss moved itself up. Charlie. Oh, Charlie. I'm going to move this up so you can see it. If you want more information, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. So if it hits this purple line, it will exit the trade for $75 in profit. He means, is it an uptrend or a downtrend? No, but I'm not going to go into technical analysis on a free live stream because that's what I teach. I teach technical analysis in my mentorship. He's asking me if I think it's going to go up or down on the day. He wants me to give him free information, and I don't do that. And it's not as simple as that. It's not as simple as just saying, oh, the market's going to go up or the market's going to go down. There are so many more factors that you have to play into taking a trade. So that's why. And again, this is not a pair. I trade futures. This is the NASDAQ NQ on the futures market. I'm also in a short still on oil, green, $240. We don't trade. No, this is not MT4. This is NinjaTrader. And I'm only trading futures on NinjaTrader, nothing else. If you want more information on the auto trading algorithm, please email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. If you want to learn how to manually trade, then you can also email me for more information about my mentorship. We're going to go live again this afternoon as well. So if you're new here, please give me a follow. We'll be live again from 2 to 3 p.m. Jen will be live. She's much nicer than I am, but she gives just as good information. Baba, yes, this is the CLM testing. It's green, 940 on the day, plus this unrealized profit here. So around $1,200 on the day. With one mini. And again, this is all 100% fully automated. I'm setting up NinjaTrader right now. Okay, sounds good. Have a great day. Bye, Levinsky. Levinsky, remember, you need to get some overtime so you can purchase that mentorship, because that is like the first thing on your list. Kyle, it's been like, I don't know, a few days. A gold that I'm testing is also in a long for $200. Oh, I have hiccups. I did a bunch of testing this weekend. I'm always testing on the weekend. But yeah, no, it's going to be some more time. Oil had a huge move today, so we have to see if this is legit. Robert, why are you saying text? What does that mean? It's 10 a.m. There's a report at 10. Nice. I appreciate everything you do. Thanks, Bubba. I appreciate you appreciating me. Nice job, Ben. Look at my students. Just killing it. Ben made $305 off of this short from the student call. Great job. So proud. My students kill it. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin that. So currently just in this oil that I'm testing and then gold as well. They're both at the same profit right now. Yeah, so there's tutorials. When you purchase the algorithm, you're then added to the group. So we have a group of almost 200 people in Slack. It's very similar to Discord. I can show you what it looks like. It looks like this. These are all the channels. So you're added to this group, and then once you're in the group, You get white glove service, that's what I like to call it, from my admins. So I have 2 admins. These are also the results from today and Friday. You get access to my admins, Irma and Amy. They're over here. They will message you as soon as you join, and they make sure that you're fully set up. You get a welcome message with step-by-step videos, and so it really just takes you right through. Larome made $930 on Friday. This is Kenny. He's been with me since 2020 as well. He made $15,000 on Friday. For the week, he made $83,000. See that right here? Weekly. $83,000. Insane. Kenny is awesome. Kevin made $1,200. Mark made a whole bunch. So this is all Friday. Michael, Mike, Laura, Kyle, Dana, Amber, Terrence, Jimmy. See? And this is what we talked about on the student call. Go put that in the regular chat, because this is exactly what we talk about on the student session in the morning. Taking the long. Where did you get to? It's now 25 points above where that bounce was. Kenny always kills it because I taught him how to trade. Just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. The stats scare people. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's literally so easy. Have people funded, yes, a bunch of people use prop firms on my algorithms. So, oil is still in the short, green, $330. So, yep, you can use Lilu, UProfit, OneProfit, whatever company you like. Apex. Apex usually does a sale, but they had done a 90% sale for so long that now the sale is over. So, we're just waiting for the next one. It's hard to comprehend that kind of money. It is insane. It is insane. But I remember one month he made like $300,000 or something. Pin. So again, if you want more information, either on the algorithm, so you can just let something trade for you and not have to be involved because you don't know what's going on, you don't know what you're looking at, or if you want to manually trade yourself and you want more information on the mentorship, please just email me. Either way, it's the easiest way to get in touch with me. I will never message you on social media, ever, ever, ever. I don't trade crypto. I don't use a Telegram. Please keep an eye out for scammers, because that is not me. Right? That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. It's great. It's insane. But I think a lot of people, we've discussed this in the group, that I think automation is just where everything's going anyway. Like, we obviously, in our entire world, like, parallel parking has become automated. Like, automated trading is just going to be the next thing. And it already is a thing, but a lot of people just don't know about it. I didn't know about it in 2020 until some of my members told me it was a thing. I was like, what? So, yeah. Did I send that message? Yeah, never mind, I did. I know I did. So today's not too crazy. I have a student session tomorrow, and I also have a appointment tomorrow, but I don't have anything else going on today, so I'm going to be around. Was the one that made there was a market crash? No, Daniel, this was like the end of last year. It was like maybe October or November of 2022. Watch the short on NQ. Oil's still in this short and gold is still in this short. You're scalping, Bess? Nice. What do we go back up to? Oh, 90. That 95 was so nice. Do you see this candle? It was 95 perfectly. And that was at 940. Still in this oil and gold trade. Nothing else has really happened yet. Guys, listen. When I go live, most of the things I'm showing are live on my cash account. Other things that I'm showing are being tested. This is oil. This is being tested. If something's being tested, I'm not going to test it on my cash account. That doesn't make any sense. When I test something new, which means a new strategy with new settings, maybe a different chart, that means I'm going to test it for 4 to 6 weeks before I am going to then run it live. And I don't even run it live prior to doing it with my group. So after 4 or 6 weeks of testing, I then say, hey group, I found this setup and it's been doing really well for the last 4 to 6 weeks. I'm going to add it to the settings spreadsheet. And if you want to run it, then you can run it. And then when I post that I'm running it live, that's when it's live. That's when I'm running it live. No, Kobe, it is all done for you. And I'm not sure why this isn't getting across. It gets you in the trade. It gets you out of the trade. It moves your stop loss. It moves the trail stop. There is nothing you have to do other than turning it on at night. That's it. That is the only requirement of you, is to set it up the first time you join, and then you turn it on every night. And that's it. So anyway, so I hope that answers your question, Anas, who, feels like there's like a lot to prove. There's, not a lot to prove here. I'm showing you trades that are happening because we're not in any other trades. When we're in trades, I'll show you all of this is my live stuff for today. Gold range is red. NQ range is green. Oil range is green. On the day, at my cash account, I am flat. Maybe red like $10. I'm red $50 on my cash account today so far. So, hope that answers your question, because I'm not sure what else I can say. What else? The point is, our strategies are really good. They do well. And that's exactly why I post my members' results, because it's not just about my results. It's also, I have Santa running on the right side. Diego. I typically don't run pink. I love pink, but Irma covers pink because I just can't. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I had 15 strategies running right now, so I can't run multiple scalper strategies. Thanks for the likes. I appreciate it. So, yes. The only trades I'm in right now are this oil that I'm testing and then a gold that I'm testing. Gold is green, 110, and oil is in front of you, green, 220.
Order submitted.
No, Diego, it's posted in announcements that you have to message Amy. You have to take a range quiz, then you have to pass the range quiz, then you have to watch a scalper video, then you have to pass the scalper quiz. That is all through Amy. It was posted on Thursday in the announcements channel. I'm not sure why nobody reads this channel. Y'all, you have to pay attention to the announcement channel. Like, it's like the most important thing. Decline. Nice job. Proud of you. Green 300 on this. I'm going to put this in the chat.
Order filled.
Oh, well, you said Irma, so I was confused. Because you're literally the second person. Somebody asked it yesterday, and I was like, dude, it's in there. Nice. One of my brand new students made $190 manually trading, and then he made $200 off the algorithm, so he's greened $390 on the day. Nice job. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Green 280 on the short. Oh, gold is also green 210 on the long. Those are the only two trades I'm in right now, which is why it's so boring. It's 10:12, so I'll stay on here for a little bit longer. And then I'll get off. Remember, we're going to be live again from 2 to 3 p.m. today. Jen will be highlighting Scalper, specifically Santa. If she starts finding that Santa is a beast from 2 to 3, then obviously we will add it to the spreadsheet. Didn't go to, yeah, I went to 60 and target was 55. Wasn't it? Yeah, 45 to 50. What is it at now? What is NQ at now? Oh, it came back down and flew to 90. All right, I'm gonna, I don't know, you just squash oil, whatever. If you guys have any questions, please put them in chat. Again, when you join the group, you are given access to a private setting spreadsheet. So the setting spreadsheet is it's like an Excel spreadsheet, if you think of that. And it has tabs. So each tab is a different algorithm, and then within each tab, it has multiple rows of different strategies. So it will say NQ or MNQ, and it will give you all the settings. And then it will say gold or GC, and it will give you all the settings. So that's how you get all of the settings and all of the information for the algorithms. So that's how you get set up when you first join. Then after you do that one time, you don't have to do it ever again, and you simply just turn on the algorithm each night. Then, if we make updates, they are highlighted in yellow on the settings spreadsheet for 7 days. So this allows people to make sure that they see the updates and let Irma check your settings. But if for some reason maybe you were gone for a few days on a business trip or you were sick or whatever it might be, you would still see the updates. I also always post, I manually message in the announcement channel. This is why the announcement channel is so important, that I have made an update. So say it was an update to gold, I'll be like, hey guys, I made an update to gold in the settings spreadsheet for range, please go check it out. And then it would be there in yellow. But yeah, I try to make it as straightforward and easy as possible. I don't want folks confused in any fashion. We're here to make this easy, and then once you get set up, you just turn it on, and that's all you need to do. And then you can go to the gym, you could go to sleep, you could go get something to eat, go to work. There's no requirement for you to be at your computer or watching the algorithm as it's trading. Please tap that screen or give a thumbs up if you're on YouTube. It's really appreciated. I have the hiccups. I don't know. Did you see, Bess, what I just said in the student corner? Today is the 8th. Bom, 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 bom. So we're live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 on both YouTube and TikTok. Green 410 on this oil short now. Again, this is the strategy that made almost, well, it locked it up at 94, so 70, was it like 1,200? But it went as high as $1,800, and now this short is almost green 500. It locked up 940 on the day so far. And then if it can get further past 500 or lock up 500, that would be about $1,400 on the day with one mini on one setup. And in my stop loss, I'm pretty sure is really small. I remember when I was talking about it with one of my testers, I was like, how is this going to work? The stop loss is so small. He's like, well, just try it. Actually, maybe not. So maybe it's 25 ticks. So like $250. It's not that bad. Gold is also still in that long, green $100. It's 10:18. I'm going to see if this trade will wrap it up. Josh said, when is the last time you saw a squirrel? Actually, I see squirrels a lot. Where I live, there's squirrels everywhere. Because I actually think some people don't see squirrels, and then they think they're not a thing. Squirrels are an annoying thing, for sure. Oh, but I also think it's a good segue to a conversation. I had some really weird dream the other night, and now I can't remember it. I dream all the time, and so does my little one. I like wake up and be like, oh, do you know we did this and this and this and this? And I was like, what? Yeah, in my dream. I'm like, oh, okay. All right, it's 10:18, probably about to be 10:19 because I feel like I already said 10:18. Yeah, it's 10:19 now. I'm going to wrap it up. We'll see where this oil trade ends up. I'll post it in the group for my members. Look, my hiccups are gone. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Again, Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. today, Monday, on TikTok only. So please check her out on TikTok at 2 p.m. Give her some likes. She's new to going live. She's doing a great job. So let's show her some support. She'll be live streaming mostly the scalper and anything else that she wants to show you or that comes up. So it is her show. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at 9:30 again, and we'll touch base then. I'm excited to see where this oil trade goes. All right, y'all. Have a good day. Thanks for joining. I appreciate all the likes.